After clicking the Search for Fares button, you'll be able to scroll through the itineraries, pick one you like, and if it's just slightly off what you're looking for, you can actually modify it before you book it. You would use the Edit button to do that. So we look down through this list, look for one we like, and click Edit. That will bring your itinerary over to the Trip Builder tool. And here you can see the active itinerary on the right side. We can remove a flight. So now I've just got a Minneapolis-Chicago and then a London-Chicago-Minneapolis. I can go over to this side and type in Chicago to London, but I'm going to put in a different day. Let's try the 15th of March. And it's a good idea to stay with the same airline code, so I'm going to use British Air. The available flights on that route will come up. We can look through here and find one we like, click Add Flight, and the system will drop it in right where it's supposed to go. So I've got 13 March to Chicago, 15 March Chicago to London. At that point, you can scroll down and click the price button, put in the names, and book it.